Welcome to this learning series on getting started with Reemo. In this video, we'll be covering how to set up Reemo in just 2 easy steps: registration and installation. Let's begin with the registration process. Go on reemo.io and click on Register. Complete the fields, then click Register. Enter the verification code received via email. Click Verify. Read and accept our terms and services. Congratulations, you've just completed the registration process. Now let's take a look at our second step, installation. From the computer you want to remote access, log into your Reemo account. Before moving forward, take note you will need the personal key to complete the installation. Click on Download Reemo. Select the operating system of your computer, then click on Download. Click on the Reemo installer in the folder where you downloaded Reemo and proceed to set up. You will be asked for your private or studio key. Click on the personal key link near the top of the page. Then copy the key. Paste it in the installer. Next, a confirmation will be displayed that your Reemo account is associated with your computer. Go back to your account on reemo.io and you'll see that your computer is now connected and ready to access from any computer on any other browser. You've just completed the installation process.